Johnny 2 lick flipped bricks C1 shy Johnny 2 lick.
Hello, everyone. Welcome in. How are you doing? It's Dirk. Oh my God, you as well. Good to see you. How are you all doing? Indeed. Oh my God, I kind of strangled myself here. Let me quickly fix that. Wow. There we go. Oh, I can breathe. Cables. Oh my God. Dragon's worst enemy. Nom the cables. No, Unity, don't update now, please. Worst timing. But how are you all doing? I see Johnny is here. Hello, Johnny. Good to see you. Thank you for the resub with Prime there. Oh God, Unity, please chill. No, but yes, lovely to see you. Ravi here as well with the coffee. Oh, I need that one. Thank you. Dakota. Lovely to see you, cutie. Yo, der. Servus Ringred. But yes, oh my goodness. Yes, Dakota, doing good. Just feeling a little bit tired after today. I gotta be honest. A little bit EP, but doing good. It's finally the weekend. Then I see the lovely Sanyo here. Welcome in, Sanyo. Good to see you. Thank you again for pushing me towards getting some amazing tower art of Brixie. We will all see the result in a second if you haven't seen it already. Then I see Flo here. Hello, Flo. How are you doing? Are you ready for stage flight on the weekend? And yes, the Twink Rio comment, we love it. We also tried to name the NFC drink Twink Rio, but it didn't get picked. At least last year it didn't. And I see Dark Dragon here. Welcome in, Dark Dragon. Good to see you. Maybe Twunk. Then I see, Mattingham. Matt, welcome in. Thank you for the pets. And of course, Wing Rats. Good to see you. Hope you are doing lovely. Hope work went well for you, and welcome to the weekend. It was lovely seeing you in person yesterday, hanging out with you. It's really funny if you can actually meet up with people because they are not on the other end of the world. And yes, I love the new art piece, Brixie. Let's go. Me too. I did not expect Viren to ace this one so much. I know their art is awesome, and of course that's why I commissioned them, but I feel like this is it was like the perfect artist for the idea. It's like so good. Oh my God. I can't believe it still. Weekend indeed. A long one too. Oh, it's a long weekend for you. Do you have Monday off? Ooh. Unfortunately not over here. It is actually a public holiday happening on Sunday, which is like a national holiday here in Austria, our Independence Day, basically. But unfortunately, it's a Sunday, and Sunday is usually most of the people stay off anyway, so that's a lost day there. National holiday on Tuesday. Oh, really long weekends. That's wonderful. And yes, can't wait for stage flight. Me too. Let's go. I'm gonna die so much from all the dancing. My plan was to make it until the end, until the fireworks, which is 5 a.m. in the morning? 10 hours of stage flight. I will have to take a break in between, and hopefully I won't fall asleep in the break. To recharge my gear, otherwise I can't make it through. I'll try my best though, and yeah, if I get too EP and it becomes uncomfortable, then I will just head to bed. You're saying you put Rio Twink in as a drink suggestion again? I mean, at least I did not. I'm not sure if someone else did. I don't know what Trekken did, for example. I think he put it in last year as well. And yeah, it was really nice. It was really nice. I stepped away and I'm back. Hi! Hey, Dakota! Good to see you! And yes, doing good here, doing good here. A little bit EP from the week. But yeah.
Servus.
Luckily. Es ist jetzt Wochenende. Aber ich hoffe, dir geht's auch gut. Dankeschön, Glut, dass ich ein bisschen auf Deutsch daherlabern darf. Oh, und ja, Mahlzeit, Wingred. Lass es dir schmecken. Ach. Ein Gurden. Ich kann es immer noch nicht glauben, dass du sagst, ich hätte einen steirischen Akzent. Ich habe keine Ahnung, wo der herkommt. Ich bin geborener Wiener, aber ja, ich weiß auch nicht. Ist komisch. Ist komisch. Ich hoffe, meine Batterien halten bis zum Ende. Ja, das hoffe ich auch, Flo. Ansonsten ja, ich weiß nicht, ich werde eine halbe Stunde oder was eine Pause dazwischen machen, um ein bisschen aufzuladen. Und falls das nicht genügt, dann halt nochmal. Wird eh gut sein, weil ich glaube 10 Stunden tanzen, das würde ich nicht überleben. Und ja, Servus Clem, willkommen. Welcome Clem, good to see you, good to see you. Cupidity here as well, good to see you. Cupidity, did you see, did I send you the picture of the long boy I received? I'm not sure, did I? You were like the first person I thought of to send it to. Oh god, Discord is like going into streamer mode and hiding all the names. No, I did not send it to you. What the heck? I hope you saw it at least when I posted in the Pics and Selfies channel. If not, I'm gonna send you a picture of the Long Boy Dirk, the Everix, the Wicked plushie that I received. Also, yes. Snowball Risk is the best name for a drink anyways. That is a great idea. Oh my god, Snowball Risk. Oh, I had some other cool ideas like the Big Rar and the Fluffmeister. I thought those, but Snowball Risk, oh my god, that's a great idea. Please put that in, please. But yeah, Servus Glut, hope you are doing lovely there. I put in the Twink Slayer. That's a good one. That's a good one. Kizu with the kissies. Welcome in, Kizu. Good to see you. Good to see you. Then I see. Yes, I'm sure you did well all week, so we are proud of you. Oh, you're too sweet. Oh, I'm sure you did amazing as well, Dakota. But yeah, had a good week. Had some lovely hangouts with friends that I really enjoyed. Like yesterday, I did a little impromptu VR chat hangout, and some Cozy Beans joined there as well, and was just lovely hanging out there for a BT. 10, come on, make it 24. Servus, I hope you are well. I'm resetting my office layout, so I'm watching on my phone at the moment. Oh, yeah. Oh, good luck with resetting that. Also, Tamsi, welcome in. Tamsi or Nox. And Gargoyle Gamer, hello. Good to see you. Extra wide, Brixie. Oh my god. Hope you're doing lovely. Waves back. Let's go. A fluffy drink. You're gonna pass on that? What? That's like me every time I work on the fursuit. Hey. Yo! Hey! Indeed. Servus! Guten Morgus. Hello, welcome in, and thank you for the resub. The Wingmeister himself. That would have also been a great name for a drink, the Wingmeister. But Fluffmeister is also pretty good. Yeah, isn't it quite early for you? It's not like, what is it? 6 a.m. 6:20 or something. No, I think, is it even 5:20? Oh my god. But yes, everything will change. Everything will change, like the hoodie, next week, because we are gonna have daylight saving times cancelled. It's gonna go back to the normal time. I woke up to hearing someone in the house. What? What? Is there someone in the house? There was no one. Huh. Maybe just something fell over, or like the heating or something, the woods. Weird. Wow. No hidden wing creatures at your place. Oh, wow. Voices? What? Oh my god, that's scary. Halloween is next week, Morgus. Oh my god, that's really scary. But I feel you. I had a few like nightmares like that before, where I heard someone talking or like a noise, and I woke up and there was nothing. It was actually just the dream still, like still hearing the dream, like while colliding back into the state of being awake. Now I'm wide awake. Oh, sending all the wing hugs, Morgus. I'm sure it was just a dream then. Yeah. Let's all send hugs to this lovely Dirk. /pet. Exactly, Sanyo. But Noob Gamer! Welcome in, Noob Gamer. Sorry, didn't overlook you there. It's a handsome, awesome Dirk. No, you're a lovely cutie here. Yes, doing good. Doing good. Just hoping that Morgus is okay. I hope you are doing lovely as well. For the first time in a while, I'm Tem. Yo! Definitely ought to get knocked something first, so... Aww. But yeah, welcome back, Tem. And yeah, I hope you have been well. Yeah, Nox has been a few times here, and they were quite lovely. The Eldritch Beans, oh my goodness. The Wingmeister would definitely need Red Bull in it, you know, because Red Bull gives you wings. Yeah, I mean, it would be a perfect name for a drink, actually. So if you haven't put yours in yet, there's your idea. Also, Avon, welcome in. Squeak? What sound do bunnies make? Pion pion, I think, is the what the Japanese give to bunnies. So Avon has become a bunny, at least for tonight. Ooh, I see. This stray kobolds in your walls. And these smart speakers. Ooh, okay, good call. Yes, hugging the Morgus. The wingman. Yeah, you will be fine, Morgus, when I get to hug you at NFC. Looking forward to that already. But yes. Yes. Shout out to Johnny! Thank you, Sanyo. I'll check out the lovely Johnny, who was streaming Voices of the Void today. Squeaky Dirk, recently also Squeaky Moonfang in VR chat. Was lovely to see yesterday at the Hangout. Good to see you. But yes. I'm hyped to show you the new artwork I got today. I still can't believe it's real. It's so hecking good. Viren like did such an amazing job. What the heck? Let me just put it out here because I can't wait any more longer. Wow! Okay, that was a big Dirk. Wait, let me quickly fix that first. Fit to screen. All right. There we go. Oh my. Yes. I asked them to towerify. Okay, let me start from the beginning. They were drawing. Viren was drawing art of Airwisp, like a lovely lizard, and they went for a tower commission. Like they drew a speed paint of them being in tower form, and it was so good. And Viren wrote like how much they love drawing towers, and I was like, okay, Sanyo like kind of teased me to get a tower art piece, and so I was like, okay, Viren, would you like to draw one more? And they were like, yes, and well. Then I commissioned the speed paint and asked him to do Darkfin because I thought it would fit pretty well for the tower. And the prompt I gave them was teasing tower. Because, you know, Brixie Darkfin is like showcasing a little bit more of the teasing side. He is a big tease. And well, I think they captured that really, really well. They first had the issue, they drew the sketch of the artwork, and then they figured out, oh wait, Brixie, are the wings optional? Like, no, I would love to have the wings, but yeah, if it's still possible. So they had to like shift around the initial sketch, like the perspective of it, and this is basically the result. So they managed to put in the wings in a very good way, showcasing them like this, and yeah, they look rather inviting as well. And yeah, I'm just astonished. I'm just stunned how well this came out. And yeah, oh my god, I love this art piece. I think I'll have to print this one and put it on the wall or something. And yeah, really big fan of Viren, but this one is just wow. Came out really well. I love it. I love it very much. Still have to see tomorrow. Yeah, the Moonfang. Oh my goodness. Oh my, indeed, yes. I want whatever Darkfin is teasing. Maybe he's teasing you. Maybe some cuddles. But yes, this is the tower version. You can see the additional paws in the middle section, and I think it looks really well. And it's interesting to see where they put the wings as well. On the tower body, and yeah, it is just like right above the shoulders of the well, front paws of the tower part. So yeah, interesting. Also, happy lurking, Flo, happy lurking. And yes, you're gonna see the Johnny the Moonfang tomorrow, I'm sure. I love the picture of me just biting you. Yes, that one was pretty good. The one where we are looking in the camera, unfortunately, I had the eyes a little bit closed. So it looks like, I don't know, I'm just like... my look is just... I don't know what my look is. Common Dragon Tower is cutting off the neck and stitching the Antros upper body without wings on it. Eee! So it is kind of like that. Yo, welcome in Rio. Good to see you. Good to see you. Yes, I mean that's what you basically did when you showed it to me with. Yeah, I mean you kind of cut it out from the reference sheet. First the Darkfin and then the Brightmane, and I really liked how it looked with the Darkfin. So yeah, that was like the preferred option to go when I get like a tower version, and well. I really like it. I'm really tempted to make this a thing, but no, I think I'm just gonna stay as it is. Maybe I still can get the tower art piece here and there if I really like it, but I think for now it's fine. But yes, so good. I wonder if they will like sell prints of that at NFC. Huh. Because I know they put like an artwork through of Brixie Brightmane in the art show at EF, which made me like super proud and happy that they liked that art piece with my Dirk so much that they put it in the art show. And I mean, they did an amazing job with that one. Right, where did I leave? I have been yapping and sorry, I haven't. Let's see. Exactly. Yo, Glamrock Freddy, welcome in. Good to see you. Hi. Then we have Cupidity with the hydrate and the stretch. Thank you very much. I'll gladly take a sippy of my coffee. Thank you for the pets and the stretch. Sanyo saying there are versions of Dragon Tower with the wings on the antro upper part as well, but they are more rare. I see. Yeah, I was like wondering. Viren was also. I asked them where would you put them, and they say yeah, definitely the feral part because that has like the structure and the muscular like body to carry the weight of the heavy wings better than the antro part. So it can be like bigger wings and support these more easily. But yeah, it's interesting thoughts here. Hawk, yo, welcome in, Hawk. Good to see you, cutie. Hope your week went well. Let's let me get some shout out about first for Rio, then we will have one for Hawk as well. Rio was playing Mega Bonk. Yeah, that's deserved. A bonk the Rio. Sunny saying, and I would have bet on it if they didn't run out of betting stickers. Yeah, aww. Yeah, that was what was that at EF? Running out of the bet. Why did they run out of stickers for placing bets? They knew how many people were coming and they didn't like get enough of them. That was so weird. Like half of the people who wanted to place bets couldn't do it, and it's really a shame because that money went to charity, and I'm sure people would have loved to pay even more. So that was like opportunity lost there. So I hope they learned from that and will have more of those stickers next time. Really, I hope so. Also, Kamu, welcome in. Good to see you, cutie. I still need to send you more pictures of the plushies. I will try and make more, take more pictures of my plushies on the weekend. Just a few last few days have been a little bit busier, but yes, I need to send you those. There are so many cute plushies, and hopefully there will be more very soon as well. Yes, Cupid is saying just bought some Dragon Roast coffee. Yo, let's go. Isn't that one from the US though? Or do they sell that one around in Europe as well? But yeah, I know like one streamer I watch, Struggles for Waffles, is like, like advertising, promoting that kind of coffee. And it looks rather nice. Sounds really nice. What about both, says Morgus? Wings on the tower body and the antro body? I mean, yes, why not? Why not? Smaller wings at the top and like the big feral wings at the bottom. True, actually. The Hoodie brand. Yes, my favorite brand. Hoodie. Also, Xavi, welcome in. Oh my god, there's so many cuties here texting. Beans! Okay, welcome in, Xavi. Good to see you. Let me give a shout out to Dr. Hawk here. Check out that lovely cheesy snap. Hawk was also playing Mega Bonk. What the heck? Everyone playing Mega Bonk. Oh, so let's see. Xavi here, welcome in. Then Steel here, welcome in, Steel, welcome in. Also, Glamrock Freddy, no, asking for a shout out. We don't do that here. Then Hawk here. My week went well. Had a super hard biochemistry test, but I believe I did good. Just finished making a real vanilla bean paste. Bean paste? Gelato base. Ooh, that sounds tasty. That sounds tasty. Oh yeah, the vanilla paste is like the good stuff. Hope your week was awesome. Yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty good. I liked the week. Was having some lovely hangouts. Like, talk about that more when I caught up with everyone here posting. Blushy pictures are always welcome. Let's go, let's go. Started writing. Yeah, halfway through the con, they ran out of stickers. There were like 10 people, but there were more. It became a problem. They had several people running to find more, but yeah, they failed. They failed, unfortunately. Yeah, I really hope they. Speaking of coffee, I need more beans and filters. Let's go, let's go. I can also recommend going with a French press. I've tried that one out recently, and it is really nice to make tea and coffee with a French press, and super easy. All right, then I see Lurka here. Welcome in, Lurka. How are you doing, cutie? Hope you have been well. Then also let's give a shout out to Xavi here. Lovely Felk streamer. Whenever. I think you said you might stream on this weekend because it's a long one for you. So check out Xavi. Yes, thank you, Rio. Thank you. Then Steel, what is that? Commando cakes. What is that emote? Oh my god, the Mega Bonk. Yes, yes, yes. I also Xavi with the hydrate. Oh my god, catching up here. Never smelled such good vanilla smell before. Really excited to have it tomorrow. Let's go. Let's go. Just a cheap artificial vanilla. We'll find it every grocery store. Yeah. I see, yeah. The Vanillin, how they call it in German here. It's vanilla and vanillin, which is just the chemistry stuff. But yeah, I mean, honestly, it's very similar, but I try to use when I bake some cakes, I always try to go for the real vanilla. It's just, I don't know. Also, Bixby getting the baguette out and the Barretts. Oh la la. Yo! Shirtless Mr. Drake. Yo, Scully! Hello, welcome in, Scully. Good to see you. Yeah, not shirtless yet here. I mean, people are probably trying with the hoodie redeem. There's like a 1 to 10 chance that I will turn, up with no hoodie. But so far, I'm still in the hoodie, so that's fine, that's fine. Yes, tomorrow Xavier will stream. Let's go, let's go. Also make coffee with the Brixie beans. Oh, don't grind my beans. I'm not sure if those beans taste that well. Whoa, Avatar DF. Darkfin. Sadio wants to see the Darkfin. Here comes the moment of truth. You know what I did 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. 5 minutes before the stream started. Yes, I was changing something on the Darkfin model. Let's hope I didn't break everything. There we go. Doing good here, says Lurka, vibing with a cup of coffee. I welcome that very, very much. And there we go. Yes. Oh, and yeah, I still need to fix that. It's always the same hoodie on the models. But yeah, different hoodie here, full of beans, apparently. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can see what I changed on this model. It's a very tiny thing. I'm T-posing right now. Yeah, I'm asserting dominance. The fins? No, the fins are the same. But yes. The black propotatium? No, that's also the same. Like I said, it's a little thing. It's a very... I mean, if you would figure this out, it would be... it would surprise me, honestly. You know what also surprises me? How cute... I mean, scary Scully is when they stream. For example, Battlefield 6. So check out that lovely kobold. I mean, scary kobold. Rings about the wrist? No, no, no. Longer teeth? Ah, nice try. Close. Close, actually. Black Prophet. Tiny your brain. Rio. Asserted dominance yesterday behind you in VRCR. I mean, you were asserting big dominance by being a lovely, cuddly Felk. A gigantic one. You just saw the tongue. It's also dorsal and arm fin nodos are the same. It's this thing here. The split tongue was also there earlier. Alrighty, but it is this thing here, the nose horn. It's a very, very subtle change. The snorn, it changed, yes. I only became aware when I commissioned art recently, and the artists also saw it, but I didn't see it. The snorn is actually like, sharper, thinner, and longer than like of Brixie Brightmane. And I adjusted it now, so it's like a thinner, longer snort. I might still make it a little bit longer, but yes, it's very subtle. It's very subtle. But yes, all the good guesses, all the good guesses, and yes, the split tongue. I still need to work a little bit on the tongue. I think it can look even better, but the problem is I have the face tracking, blend shapes and everything on this model, so if I change anything too much on the tongue, those will break, and yeah, I have to redo those or like modify them, and I was too lazy to do that so far. Have to be careful when I lick you next time. Yeah. Otherwise, don't poke yourself on the snorn. What if we crew our snorns together? What? Spunny thinks he maybe should have drink a less carbonated beverage. Ah, but they are tasty. Good to hear. Good to hear. But yes, yeah, I'm still saying I am super happy. Oh, that's cool, Hawk. That's cool. Oh my goodness, what is that picture? Is that? What are you growing there? Like Hawk sent me a picture of like a cup with earth in it and little plants. Ooh. Ah, but yes. You wrote it there. Sorry, I missed it. There was another cool thing this week. I got a free coffee, 3 saplings. Oh, it's free coffee, 3 saplings. Oh my god, let's go! Growing your own beans. I approve. I approve. Yo, Justian, welcome in. I haven't started this game yet. I'm still chatting. Also, Rook, hi, welcome in, welcome in. Good to see you. Gonna grow my own coffee beans. Yes, the dream, honestly. Yes, grow the beans, grow the beans. We like the big beans. Yee! Made lemonade yesterday, and today I got some raspberry flavored mineral soda. Oh, that's a classic here in Austria. By law, we have something called a Jugendgetränk, so a youth drink. There has to be like an anti-alcoholic drink at every restaurant that is cheaper than the others, and yeah, non-alcoholic. And usually that's like a raspberry soda, what they offer. So Himbeer soda, and yes, I love those. I love that. Usually, it's quite refreshing, and I loved it as a kid as well. Must we do this every time? Yes. Also, thank you for the stretch, Savvy. Unshrimp. Oh, I need the unshrimping, all of it. Shivasa. Yes, exactly, Morgus. Exactly. Now, we had the pistol shrimp Vertoba art already a few days ago. No reason to shrimp again. Sabi being like, Kotuaru, Ow! Yes, but the throw works. You see, I fixed the throw. That's what you get, Steel, for exploding me. Aber a shout out. A shout out it is. Check out Steel, everyone. They are doing some really, really cool game dev, RPG Maker, and pixel art streams. It was the perfect timing. The big sparkling water brand here in Norway is called Farris, and their soda line is called Frus. I don't know. We don't have like a soda brand for these kind of stuff. Usually what I do is just I take some fruit juice and then I add soda water, and that is like my soda brand, non-branded drink. It's like very common to just mix it with soda, all the drinks here. And you get something like apple juice with soda water. We call it a Apfelsaft gespritzt, which is like the Apfelschorle in Germany. But we do have some brands as well. Usually the one producing the mineral water, which is like Verslauer, for example. They sell like flavored kind of mineral water. So it has like a hint of flavor. It's usually not a real juice in it, or not much at least. Apfelschorle, yes. And I felt so silly, Rio. When I was living in Hamburg, we went to a Greek restaurant, and I do love Greek food, by the way. But I was ordering some wine there, mixed with mineral water, which is something you can get if you don't want it to be too strong, and just have a nice mixed drink. And I ordered a Wein gespritzt, and they were looking at me and was like, I'm living from, I don't know, behind the moon. And then I realized, oh God, no! In Germany, it's called Weinschorle. It's, you call it Schorle instead of Spritzen. Yes. So silly. Number go up. Let's go. Free stream watch streak. Thank you. Thank you. We do have flavored Farris as well. The two I know of being lemon and lemongrass. Oh yeah, that is a classic here as well, the lemongrass one. And mango plus papaya, as well as the more strongly flavored soda ones. Ooh. Yes. We got the two. Otherwise, we are known as the country where beer is cheaper than water. Yes, yes, yes. You can have that in Germany too. Actually, there was at the F, especially last year, the beer was cheaper than the anti-alcoholic drinks, and yeah, that was silly. This year it was a little bit more balanced, but still the coffee was more expensive than the beer, which was still silly. But oh well, oh well. Germans do have good beers, and so do Czech people, so. Just German things. Yes, 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 yes. But yeah, let's actually take a look at the schedule of this week, of what we are gonna do today. On Tuesday, we had a lovely time playing some Outer Wilds again. We made some nice progress there, I think. I think we did. Not gonna spoil anything here. I was watching Token stream just before this one, because it turns out he is streaming Outer Wilds today, not on Saturday. I was watching a little bit until he started with the game, then I dropped out because no spoilers. He might have discovered stuff I haven't found out yet, so unfortunately I will have to watch like his stream on VOD and vice versa. But it's still hacking funny. And you know what? You know what? Who else is like gonna stream Outer Wilds, the DLC as well? On Sunday, that is. Around this time. That is the lovely Brisa. And Brisa Brushes. There we go. So check out the lovely bird. Well, or don't check them out because they can't be shouted out. What the heck? Is it not Brisa brushes? Did I misspell it? Or is it just silly? I don't know. I'm gonna try this. Shout out? Brisa? Oh, is it the underscore? Yes. It's the underscore. Yes, check out the Brisa. Brisa brushes. There we go. The commanders are cooled down. No! Everything's falling apart here. But please check out Blizzard. They are gonna play the Outer Wilds DLC as well. But of course, don't spoiler anything to them as well. That's always the #1 rule. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Shush, Rio. Shush. Also, Draco Lizard. Good to see you. They just want you to drink more. I guess they do. It was me who just refilled water at the sink. Yeah, I had the discussion a few times with people. They were like, "What? Filling water like at the toilet in the water bottle? That's weird." Like, what? It's super tasty water. You can just drink it and it's free. And yeah, that's what I did as well. Like, I bought one like drink in a bottle and then just refilled the bottle all the time with water, because that's free and it's good water in Hamburg. I'll go bankrupt by buying water at the F. No, don't go bankrupt, Savvy. Just drink beer. No. Schmetterling. Yes. Everything's falling apart. The tap water, yeah, it's pretty good in Germany, and in Austria we have some of the tastiest ones of them all. If you're ever visiting Vienna, for example, for coming to Avustria, I recommend trying the tap water. It's very tasty, and it's like directly from the Alps. Very, very good water. Very clean. I mean, not exactly clean, because it has lots of minerals in it. So I think there is like a rating of like the best water in the world, the cleanest water, but it is just like, yeah, really like water, just water without like minerals and such. And no, it's really good. It's really good. Also, let me try that again. Brisa brushes. Yes, yeah. Okay, we did it. This time I did it correctly. Yes, we're painting miniatures today. Oh yeah, where was I? Yeah, we are gonna play some Mercury Abbey today, actually. We're gonna continue our run of this lovely 30 pixel art adventure game. I'm looking forward to it. And I'm also looking forward to playing Slime Heroes tomorrow with the lovely Ryoku. Oh my god, we are gonna get so slimy here with the heroes. I have no idea what that game is exactly about, but Rio gifted it to me a while ago, and it's a multiplayer game. So I'm already hyped playing that together with Rio. 2 p.m. that is, Central European summertime. One last time, it's summertime. And then finally I will be 1 hour closer again to lovely beings like Morgus or Xavi for a while too. Looking forward to that. All right. Tap water. I can't drink due to allergy. I see. Yes, okay, of course. That makes sense. Yeah. I'm just joking, of course, too. Usually I don't drink much during cons. I mean, sometimes I do drink a drink because it tastes well or is refreshing, or when I'm with friends, but I never got like absolutely hammered. The time at the con is usually too precious for me to get like hammered and then miss the next day too. So I always drink in moderation. Vienna tap water is the best. I miss it. Yes, it's so good. I only have it at work because I'm living in Lower Austria, like not in Vienna, and we have like different water here. I'm so used to drink tap water at home that I continue that usually on my trips. Yeah, I mean, you always have to check like in the country where you are if the water is actually like drinkable and clean, so that you don't get like a stomach ache or something. But yeah, tap water is like what I drink 90% of the day, other than coffee. It's either coffee or tap water for me all day. It's very rare that I drink something else. Maybe sometimes a Red Bull here and there. I don't know. Yeah, Brisa brushes because of miniature painting. Yes, Steel. It is actually the reason why Brisa is called Brisa brushes, because of the painting. Yes, if I remember correctly. Yes, I think that was it. Yes. You want minerals in your water because if you were drinking pure, it would take minerals away from your body and actually be dangerous. Yes. Like, you should not drink it. It's unhealthy. But like the water with the lots of minerals, it also gives it like a nice, refreshing taste. And that's like the one we really have in Vienna. So, yeah. If you are coming to Austria, then make sure to drink a lot of the tap water. And not just the beer. I can recommend. That's how it all started. Yes. Tap water here where I live requires chewing and something to help you for the next few days. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Like on the islands, if you're like ever like visiting Greece and are like staying on an island there for holiday, you always need to buy the water in the supermarket because you shouldn't drink the tap water there. But no, there are some countries where it's really good. The quarterly pub crawl in my town is tomorrow. Oh my god. Is it? Yo. Are you gonna attend? COVID lockdowns taught me the hard way how bad idea it is to drink. Been basically clean since then. Oh yeah, I remember I drank more alcohol as well during the pandemic. A lot of ouzo, because we made the joke of like disinfection and like other stuff as well. And what we did like every day, my friends and me, was like sending a picture of like some kind of liquor or something we were drinking in the evening for disinfecting ourselves. And it was like a joke and we did it every day, but you shouldn't drink alcohol every day. It's not good. And I'm glad I found more of a balance again. So I mostly drink alcohol only on the weekends now. Like either on Friday, maybe a little glass of wine or some other stuff. I don't know. But yeah, not too much. Never too much. When is Austria? Yes, thank you, Rio. Exactly that. Registration starts on the 15th of November, so you still have a few weeks until it opens. I think they wanted to announce the hotel prices this week, so maybe tomorrow probably. And yeah, we'll see. The ticket price is already like 50% higher than last year. It's 150 euros for the ticket. But it makes sense because the venue is like a much bigger, nicer one. So yes, I guess that's a reason for it. And the rooms will probably be a little bit more expensive as well because they have been cheap as heck so far. Honestly, like 150 euros per night for a double room. So you pay like 75 euros per night per person. It was ridiculously cheap for a con. And it was a nice hotel with big rooms. So, yeah, we will see. I still hope that they will be fairly cheap and affordable. Not like EF, where the prices are over 400 euros per night. So, yeah, I'm hoping something around 200 euros maybe per night maximum. That would be nice for a double room. And then just gonna find someone to share rooms with, and then that should be perfect. Hopefully. It ends 3 days before your birthday. 4 days. Ooh, oh my god, you could celebrate your birthday there. Tap water, fruit juices, and coffee. Yes, tasty. Have water poisoning. Percy, yo, you want to see some beans? Here you go. You got the webbies. Wow. Enjoy. I hope you're doing lovely, Parsi, and Lena as well. I was promised no shirts. I guess you never mentioned hoodies. Exactly. I did not. But yes, welcome in, Laner. I hope you are doing lovely. I'm pretty sure there are several people who would love to room with an awesome Turk such as yourself. Yeah, speak about yourself, Sanyo. Thank you for the hoodie. The classic one. That does not surprise me to hear that from you, Marcus. But yes, I was wearing your hoodie today at work, by the way. So cozy. I love that it is cozy weather, cozy hoodie weather again. Can save on room. You know my atrocious sleep schedule. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god. But you need to sleep during a con. You know the 6-to-1 rule, right? 6 meals a day, 2 hours of 2 showers a day, and 1 hour sleep. Yeah, glad you're wearing it. Yeah, I'm also always very careful when washing it, because yeah, it means a lot to me. If I hadn't paid for my room already, I would have loved to take the offer myself. Wait, for Avustria? Oh, you mean for NFC? Now, for NFC, I already got a roommate. Can save now. Yes. Ow! Glad you're I can't even get hours sleep. Yeah, you should be asleep right now. Didn't you say you wanted to go to sleep? We need to tuck index savvy. 6 meals a day, 2 cans of Red Bull, and 1 shower a day. That sounds good. Yes. Yeah, looking forward to rooming with a friend of mine, Ababa, a lovely Dirk, during NFC. That will be chill. Because they are pretty chill. So that should be nice. And we will have a coffee machine in the room. That's the most important part. Beans are beans. Doesn't matter if they are Brixie Plushy, Brixie Dirk, or Brixie Orca. They are still soft and amazing like the Brixie Bean is. Aww, and the Parsi as well. Will personally track you to bed. I should snag some hoodie at the con. My shirt collection is slowly growing, but a hoodie would be neat. I have been messaging with Eneroth a little bit. They did like this Dragon calendar, and well, people suggested they should put that on their shirts and hoodies, and well, they are working on that. And I already messaged them, Eneroth, you know, as soon as you have them ready, can I put a pre-order? Then they were like, sure. I'm also making this other hoodie pre-order. So I'm looking forward to those because I love Eneroth's art. And yeah, I need more Dragon hoodies, honestly. So yeah, if you are at NFC, like for example Ravi, then check out Eneroth's booth.
Brixie1 Gamer, Brixie1 Gamer, good evening Coffee Binderg. Time for spooky transform all coffee into salt. Brixie1 :3 Derg French noise flidra cute flidra
No,
cookie
don't transform the coffee into salt. No. Flo Mignon, welcome in and thank you for the resub. Ababa, hope you are doing lovely, Eubine. You'll just have a Felk to cuddle for the night. Who wouldn't want that? Also, Dragon calendar, like a hoodie a month. So the story is Eneroth did like this very cute art of 12 dragons, and they put it in a calendar and made one with it. And you could also like buy some cards that you can put on your badge, like these little badges of those dragons. They sold that at EF, and like people liked it so much that they asked, like they got like the idea to put it on shirts and hoodies, and they have, I think, like 3 or 4 designs of those dragons now on hoodies, and or are thinking of printing those. I mean, it would be amazing if they would have 12 hoodies so you can wear one each month or like cycle through them. But I'm not sure if they're gonna do all of them. But I think they want to do a few of them, and I'm sure, or at least I hope, they will have some ready at NFC. So if you want to check out amazing dragon art, shirts, and a lovely person, I can recommend checking out Enor Spoof. Sorry for throwing that advertisement out there, but they are amazing and yeah, and very lovely. Alright. Flo Mignon, I'm good. Went in market to buy water. Cities next to me got drinking water problems. Oh no! Sorry to hear that. Yeah, we had that sometime as well, where like the water was like dirty, so people were like buying the water like crazy. I mean, it's good to have some at home anyways. Making a Flo hoodie. Ooh. Yes. You know what else we can make? A Flo blush by shouting them out. Was last seen streaming Genshin Impact. Let's go, let's go. Yes, Morgus. I wonder who made that. Everyone, it was Morgus. Yes. Check out Morgus's amazing wings and hoodies and the sea dragon orca. Yes. Thank you so much again, Morgus. It's so lovely, like all the work you do makes me so happy. German water? Oh, it's beer. Trying an outfit sci-fi for Flo for the story. Let's go. You stopped streaming because of graphic card problems? No! I'm sorry to hear that, Flo. But I hope you will be back one day. But yes. I also have a Moonfang in the works. I will still need to try and figure out how I do like the orca parts for that one. I want to like try around and play with it a little bit more. I'm like slowly starting to ease into Blender more and more, and I want to see like how far I can make it. Especially like the normals will be a problem, like you said. So that will be interesting to like figure out how things work. It's a bit of a struggle, but it's possible. Oh, yes. Moonfang. Yes, Moonfang. When I'm back from vacation, I'm gonna send you a message from where I bought card and change it with putting the guarantee in front. Oh, alright, that's good. If you don't make them toggleable, then it's easier. Wait, you mean like the orca parts and such? Because they are definitely not gonna be toggleable. As in cutting off the original tail tip and okay. Yeah, that's fine. I would do that. I could do that. Because I don't need the normal dragon parts underneath. I mean, saves on some polygons as well. Just don't have to worry about the normals as much. I see. All right. Yeah, I might need whenever like I do this, I might need to send you 1 or 2 TMs about it anyways. If that is alright. But yes, I'm looking forward to try it. Thank you. Yeah. Time is always the problem, but things should relax a little bit more now. Now that I'm back from Finland, the trips are gone. No fursuit crafting stress anymore. I have a little bit more time to do that for NFC, and yeah. We are only tough. I have small games to play on stream. As long as you are having fun, Flo, that's the most important part always. Cannot wait to split brain cells with you. Same. I'm looking forward to it. To the Moonfang. I think it might fit the Darkfin very well. Brixel will start a new fursuit project right before NFC, so you can work through 5 nights again. You know me too well. Yeah, I will be like one night before NFC, it will be 4 AM, and I'm still sitting on the sewing machine. No, I really hope it won't be this because I want to enjoy the NFC fully with lots of energy. So yeah, I will have to do like a feature freeze for the fursuit at like the beginning of February and not do anything more other than like clean or repair stuff. I will have to do that. But yes, I have a little bit of time now. I have like 2 or 3 big projects I want to do. I have the hand pause still. I need to find the charging cable for my shaver. And as soon as I have that, I can finish the pause. Then comes the new head, and then hopefully the Winghawk wings. But yeah, we will see. Anyways, we have a game to play. I'm way too chatty again. We have been chatting for over an hour again. Justian is already rotating. I can feel it. Put all Moonfangs in one room. Maybe we can actually simulate them. Oh my god, I always worry like saying things like that if that is like kind of mean to the Moonfangs, but it's always so nice to see that everyone just, yes, jokes around with it. Numb the snoot. And thank you Cupidity for the hydrate and the stretch. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Now the packs. Rio! Behave! Cuties, I see. But yes, everyone, let's go. Let's hop over to the game. Let's play some Mercury Abbey. Gonna see you all on the game screen. You're getting us in the mood for the game. Why, thank you, Rio. That is kind of true. But yeah, here we go. Mercury Abbey it is. Again, beautiful, beautiful game it is. Without any sound for me because I forgot to switch to my headphones. Because Windows 11 doesn't manage to do that. There we go. Hope game sounds fine to you all. Should be good. Should be good. Don't need any music in the background though. There we go. Yes, I think we can just start here. Dragons go rar, Moonfangs go bite. Yes, true. Bite Windows 11. Need to oil up the switches in the keyboard again. Yeah, I tell you, like, my keyboard has been having so many problems. So if you ever see me, like, editing a text 10 times, it's because my keyboard is falling apart. It's the one I got from my job, and it's like 4 years old now, and I've been using it day and night for the job and for like myself in the free time. And yeah, it's showing its signs. I have a super nice and good keyboard in the shelf, but the problem with that one is it's a clicky one. So whenever I use that one on stream, you will hear click, 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 click all the time. so I can't use that one. Anyways. Get O-rings. Yeah, it's like a... They muffle the keyboard a little. Yeah, it is like the special clicky keyboard by Razer. That is like clicky on purpose. I'm not sure how well the O-rings works for that. It will have like another problem, but I was looking into like other keyboards as well. Like there are some really nice ones you can order online that are like mechanical ones, but sound so and feel so nice. But you have to sometimes get them like custom made or like put them together yourself, and that can be quite pricey, or they are sold out. Always go with custom. Yeah, I was looking up some of those, but they are either like stationed in the US, and that's currently not a thing where I can order stuff from. Or yes, they are sold out. The clicky ones have a piece in the Switch that is specifically for clicking. Oh, the caps, but the clicky switches will still be clicky. Ah, I see. Good to know, Ravi. Could buy one and grab it over to EF. Ooh. Yeah, if EF gets closer and I haven't found a solution, I might get back to that. Thank you. But yes, so where did we leave off with the game here? So the last time we went into the forest, found some ruins, which was quite interesting. We found some old stuff, like what happened with the previous owners and of the mansion and stuff, and ended up in a mine to find our way out of there. And yeah, we found some more stuff. There is like an old mine where like people were worked to death basically to grab some stuff, and they closed the people in and then let them out. I don't know, it's a mystery. It's a mystery what happened there in the mines. But yeah, we just made our way out there and are now apparently like in the gardens of the mansion of Mercury Abbey. And yeah, trying to find our way back to the actual Abbey. And also, hello Echoborb, welcome in. And thank you for the hydrate. Currently I have a low profile mechanical keyboard. I get wrist problems. Yeah, yeah, honestly, same Sanyo. I learned to really love the low profile ones. And there is like this silent low profile MX Silent Reds that I would be interested in. I know there are also some other like switches, like low profile quiet switches or like smooth ones. And like in a dampened keyboard. Oh, I've seen some reviews of those, and they look so nice. Oh, you have a silent low profile one? Let's go, let's go. Is it like a ducky one, or what are these called? Ooh, the Keychron, yes, those, the Keychron K1. I was looking for that one, and it said it was sold out. With the red switches. Ah, yeah, that was like the one I was looking up to. Ooh. And are you happy with those? Are you happy with that? I know I have like a colleague who is like who got like the Keychron keyboard and like the parts like from other sellers as well. Yes, it's great. Okay, good to know. Good to know. This. Hold up! Who let you in here? Why did you come out of that way? You good, Peppertoff? No, I'm not good at all. Why don't you try to do some cleaning at this time of the day? Plus, the garden has been out of use for a long time, and I didn't even have the time to walk by Mosimo today. An older version that has keycap stamps that are incompatible with most keycaps. No! Ah, that's sad. Arrgh. Yeah, I do need the number pad as well, but if I remember correctly, like you could get the Keychrons with the number pad and without. What's trouble? Yeah, but the keycaps is the problem. Like the thing on top, not the switches. Yes, all right. Papatov saying, "How did you two get so dirty?" You can swap switches. You can swap keycaps too. Oh, is that so? Okay. Wow. Don't you dare mess up the floor I just mopped. Well, it's a long story. By the way, is the spa center still open? We could really use a good wash. Spa center, huh? Why don't I go with you? Just in case you two run around the garden again. I thought you were going to walk your tutu. Come on, just tell me the truth. You want to go for a bath too, am I right? Oh, of course not. I just happened to finish the cleaning here. That's it. Hurry, the spa center closes at 8 p.m. Shall we go to the spa center? Eee! You can mix them. That's cool. That's cool. Yes. Yo. Also, Ariel, welcome in here. Oh, you have the Keychron V6 full keyboard with numpad. I swapped the switches with the ones I like best. Silent Sakuras. Oh yeah, I heard about those as well. Ooh, Sakuras, and then there are the are they called Kalin? I think the brand. Yeah, so many cool switches and stuff like nowadays. Solace, welcome in.
Brixxy1 gamer, Brixxy1 gamer.
Aw, thank you for the resub. I appreciate it. Welcome in, Solace. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to like maybe check out keyboards next year. First I need the money. Ah. No more big purchases before next year. Yeah, let's see. All right, let's continue here. Let's go. It's been a long day. I need a nice and relaxing bath. Yippee! I'm gonna swim in the pool. I'll show you how good I am. Steal your keyboard? No! I think I really like having macro keys. I don't use them. Yeah, I used to have those, but nowadays I usually don't really need them anymore. Also, everyone, here is what I promised. Oh, and coffee! Coffee! Yo, you got the coffee hydrate redeem. Let's go. But yes, didn't I promise you this? Shirtless wolves. Finally we get what I promised. Yes. Apparently more cuties as well that are shirtless. Oh my. Anyways, Harold saying Rio is handsome. Harold saying, phew, this feels great. It relieved me from all my stress. I didn't know that everyone came for a bath this evening. I should go and talk. Hiya! Out of the way! Death bomb incoming! What? Don't! Whee! Honestly, kiddo, this isn't a pool. You'll hurt yourself if you fall. My paws are slip-proof. I'm not like you, just sitting there like a stone. You're almost asleep. Fair enough. I was planning to walk around a bit and chat with the other guests. You be a good boy and don't disturb others, okay? I got it. Just trust me. I'll be on my best behavior. I'm gonna go back to swimming. Yeah, all the shirtless ones. 10 out of 10 game. Yeah, you just gotta like pay lots of money for the Kickstarter and they put you into the game. Ah. Whee! I love the water effects here. What did I want to say? Oh yeah, it's like being at the buff in the evening. That is like a thing that happened at Finn for Animus. Like all the Finns, they are like crazy for the sauna. So in the evening, everyone goes to the sauna, hangs around the spa area. Oh, this is cute. Look at them go. Wait a sec. I made the wrong move. I wanted to go here. Hey, what are you doing? I've been commentating enough since the start of our game. You can't undo your move. That's cheating. But, let me think about it. Huh? It's you, Mr. Herod. Are you here for chess too? Then why don't you go before me? It's okay. I'm just here to see how it's going. Don't mind me. Hahaha, Mr. Schenker Jr., are you scared of losing? Mr. Harold, let me finish him off and I'll let you join in. What should I ask about? About the legend. Mr. Yanker Jr., do you know any other legends? You're a wonderful story teller. That's all, I'm afraid. I got all my stories from Papa Tough. Well, I only use them as a conversation starter. Personally, I don't believe any of it. It's never wrong to keep an eye out for these stories. If any of you had put out to sea, you'd learn that there are many unexplainable things out there. Oh, Chief? It would be great if you could tell me a few stories. I could tell my teammates about them once I get back. Yo, Retro! Welcome in! How are you doing, Retro? Yes, I'm doing good. Good. Yes. Let's talk about the recent news. Any news lately? There is nothing new here. To be honest, I'm already bored. If it weren't for Dr. Flylov, I'd be out of this place in no time. Same here. I wanted to go back in training, but the director said the injury is still quite bad. Doesn't feel like there's anything wrong with it at all, though. You don't look injured when you walk. Maybe it's the sweet dreams? Maybe, and I thought it was just a minor injury. A little longer, I guess. As long as it doesn't affect my long-term goal. I think that's it. I'll leave you two to it. See you both around. Going good, just dropping by before I go eep. That's lovely of you, Retro, and thank you for the shout-out to Retro there. Who was streaming Slackers Cards of Glory. No idea what that kind of game is, but I hope it was a lovely stream. Walk upstairs, there we go. I like all the dragons here. Big fan of the dragons. The deceptive duo. Okay, let me get my posh voice going. Mr. Lyles, have you ever thought about investing in the service industry? Something like the sanatorium is very popular in demand. Ha, sure thing. I would value your investment advice very much. But why don't we take a look at these pieces of jewelry first? Great minds think alike. How did you know I was looking for some pieces? As the premium member here, you would receive some investment discounts if you use my referral. I do have some capital that I'm looking for someone to manage for me, and you would be the best candidate. Oh look, this shade ring goes perfectly with your complexion. What are you talking about? Is this how successful people communicate? It's Mr. Harold. Care to join us? Mr. Hornbell is teaching me how to make the appropriate investments. What should I ask about? As Hoodie's out of stock was gonna attempt someone to join. Are they out of stock? Are they? Maybe they are in cooldown. Are they? No, it should work. Change Hoodie should work. At least now. It's a game where you race in a shopping trolley downhill. Yo, that sounds fun. Sounds like a lot of fun. Anyways, we got an interesting option here, asking about Lyles. But Mr. Hornbelt, legend about the treasure. Ah, beans! Yo, thank you for the beans. Yes. No shirtless Brixie, I'm sorry. Mr. Hornbell, you seem to be quite familiar with Mr. Director. Of course, I've been visiting since the third phase of the program, and now I'm part of the premium member. You've mentioned this premium member quite a few times. This must have cost a fortune. Although it is a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. You should consider joining as well. If you need, I can recommend you right away. Allow me to think about it. I am still struggling for my book sales. Should I ask about? Yo, Sir Stinking Bolt. I love your name. B-stars. Honestly, tail. Yay! We get the tail. We do love the orca tail. And happy lurking retro. I hope you're gonna have a lovely, lovely night later. Brexit, not how I'm called. Thank you for the follow. Get cozy in here. Welcome in, welcome in. Autocorrect, sorry. It's the funniest heck one though. But yeah, it is kind of B-stars. I mean, honestly, it feels like it's heavily inspired by it. It was you. No, it's not my fault. I swear. But I do swear that Dirk Lover is very cute and welcome in here. I love the sheen. Why, thank you. Johnny keeping me moisturized. I appreciate it. But let's see, what can we ask about? About Lyles. Mr. Lyles, I'm very curious about what does a jeweler do daily? Heard all these jewelry are handmade by you? Of course, everything from the selection and the purchase of the raw gemstone to the making of the jewelry is all done by me. Needless to say, this requires experience. But as a jeweler, most importantly, you need to keep a sharp eye and have a good taste. Because each piece of jewelry is made with a meticulous care, and it deserves to find their most suited owners. Such as gentlemen like yourselves, Mr. Harrod and Mr. Hornbell. Ha! I'm glad you are not in the finance industry, Mr. Lyles. A smooth talker like you will take all my clients away from me. Like the Brexit. Got space for a kobold? Always. All the kobolds are always welcome here. What's my pronouns? It's he or they. He, him, or they, them. Both are fine. The Johnny duplication. Isn't Brexit like Brexit Toblerone? Missing a horn or an ear? No! I mean, I'm missing the fluff. Anyways, let's ask about the legend about the treasure. Just call you mine. Aren't you cute? Alright. Tucks you in a tail hug. Anyways, Mr. Lyles saying, do you guys know about the legend of this manor? I'm referring to the treasure, not the curse. A fallen family and hidden treasures, the most common plot to a legend, but in reality, if they had all those treasures, how could they have fallen? Is that so? What do you think, Mr. Hornbell? You're good friends with the director. Did he ever mention it to you? If there really is treasure, he wouldn't need to work so hard to run this sanitarium. Legends are legends after all. What should I ask about? Let's just leave. I'm going to have a conversation with the other guests. I'll leave you two alone. Goodbye. Not a very fancy thing here. Yo, and a new hoodie. No shirtless Dirk yet. Oh, we have Papa Toff here. Or not, because I misclicked. Phew, that was nice. It's been such a long day. First chasing after my Mossimo, then fixing the windows and cleaning the garden. I'm absolutely worn out. A bath like this is the perfect way to end the day. I was wondering, why did you come out of the Eastern Garden? I didn't see anyone in there when I started cleaning. Ha, actually, here is the case. What? I knew something was behind all of it. So you two are the culprits who let Mossimo loose. I'm ever so sorry, Papa Toff. I'll send you an entire collection of my books as an apology once I get back. Keep your books to yourself. I actually owe you a gratitude. Heard that Beer's toilet broke down again while I was chasing Mossimo. They wanted to send me to do the job. Me to do the job. Because, you know, that idiot repairman can fix nothing. But in the end, they had to send him up there because they couldn't find me. You should see the way he came out of that room. I bet he'll have to live with that smell for the next couple of days. What should I ask about? There's shirtless Dirk. I mean, so there's this change hoodie redeem. And in 1 of 10 chances, I don't get a hoodie. I need this play style lens a lot to fit shirtless fur hanging out there. Yeah, yes. About the underground mine. Papa Toff, as a local, did you know about the mine in the mountains? I did hear elders mention that mine before, but that was a couple of generations back. Most people in our village were working on that mine, but only a few survived to come back, and then they built this manor. I trust you heard the rest of the story from other people. That family prospered for a while before they suddenly went into decline. They must have done something to offend the mountains and brought the nymph curse upon themselves. What should I ask about? Papa, can you tell me more about more legends? You must know some stories which others don't. I really can't understand why you're so interested in these. But fine, I'll tell you something that happened to myself. In a deep voice. Oh. It was a few decades ago. An idiot from the neighboring village tried to sneak in and steal something from the manor. And he was cursed. I feel like I heard this story before. Oh right, Papa Shire told me something similar. Bragger Shire, huh? He did take part of it, but he doesn't know what happened after. After we rescued that guy, we tried every single method to wake him up, but they all failed. Not only that, but the silver branches on him grew and grew. His family was terrified, scared that he might just pass away in his sleep, so they went outside of the mountain to seek help, but they never returned since. Then I heard from people who came back to the village. They told me that that person woke up not long after leaving Timbone Hill, but something happened to his brain. He kept on repeating things like coffin, monsters, and such. I think he saw something sinister. A coffin? Miss Lulu didn't mention a mausoleum and resting garden. Could it be where the story took place? Curiosity killed the cat. That place is not open to the public at the moment, so make sure you guys aren't running around like headless chicken. Maybe that person was planning to open the coffin. There are some horrible things in there. I have to get going. Papa Toff, enjoy your bath. Yo! And you have a funny Central European accent? Are you Austrian? You are correct, indeed. I am from Austria. Servus. Guten Tag, Brixie. Ah, welcome in Byler. Good to see you. Good to see you, Byler. How is it going? Let's shout out that cutie here. Recently seen doing some art. Let's go, let's go. Also, let's go. Brixie needs a CP. Wow. Normal hoodie again. Normal hoodie again. Nice try though, Johnny. Oh, look at them. Just splashing all their water in their mane.
Servus.
Oh, jetzt das. Darf ich jetzt das auf Deutsch reden? Hoffen. Schreckliche Dinge. Da war definitiv etwas im Sarg, aber was Schreckliches? Ich würde nicht sagen, dass sie schrecklich waren. Oh, du meinst das? Oh ja, der Drache. Oh ja, der Dragon. Der war ja nicht schrecklich. Der war ziemlich cute. Ja, du möchtest mir lieber mehr Hoodies rausstecken, anstatt sie abzunehmen. Wie viele Hoodies können wir auf Brixie draufkriegen? Wie viele Schichten Hoodies? Oh ja, Mr. Shampoo, was machst du? Hallo, Mr. Harold. So treffen wir uns wieder. Ich übe mich in innerer Stille. Die Mönche vom Osten meditieren unter Wasserfällen für die Erleuchtung. So I thought to do something similar. The Viking curse? No, the Schnitzel curse. Mr. Shampoo, right? Really? But won't gentle currents like these only put people to sleep? What should I ask about? About the practice. Mr. Harold, would you care to join me? Might open you up to new perspectives. Me practice? I don't think I'm the right person for this kind of stuff. I had the same thought as you before, but give it a try. I'm sure you'll change your mind. It allows me to be at peace with myself. I'm peaceful enough. Billy's always saying how he's the sort of life into my boring life. Taking care of children is a practice in itself, Mr. Harold. Those furry little creatures, they are the scariest monsters, especially when you're the substitute at a nursery. You used to be a substitute in a nursery? I really want to know how many jobs you have had. What should I ask about? Mr. Shampoo, anything interesting going on? You sure do love stories, Mr. Harold. Is this how writers seek their inspiration? Yes, exactly. At least it's one of the ways. Even the little things people find boring may spark an inspiration. Sadly, there's nothing interesting about my life. Let me think. Have you been to the Resting Garden on North Avenue? Willie and I walked past there once, but there is a no entry sign outside. We thought it would be the best to stick to it. You don't look like someone who'd follow the rules. Well, when I walked past there the other night, I saw something glowing. It was glowing with a pale white light that gave me goosebumps. There must be something hidden in there. We should find a time and sneak in there. Shh, don't let Willie know about it. Otherwise he'd make a scene trying to come with us. Yo, finish all the dialogues at the man's pool. Let's go. I'll leave you to your practice then. See you around, Mr. Champo. We're done with our conversation. Let's head back and get ready to rest. Come on, kiddo, get out of the pool. It's time to go back. I heard ya. What last lap? Why don't you go and wait for me at the drinks area? Your English sounds very good than your own mother tongue. I love that, Brixie. Ah, thank you, Byler. Apa. Also, RT, welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing lovely. Thanks for all the hugs, and yes, happy Friday to you as well. Alright, let's grab Willy. Where's the drinks area? It's here, right? Yeah, let's grab Willy. Hey kiddo, had fun swimming? The bathroom here is bigger than some pools. Yeah, I feel super good, see? I feel extra good taking a big sip of beverage after a swim. Do you want to try? Ha, they're a little sweet to me. You shouldn't drink too much of it. Come on, let's head back. We spent long enough here. Shall we leave the spa center? Eee! Still, Johnny, still, I'm sorry. No luck there. I say have the head waiter work his job like that. Yeah, yes. Yes, that day was first day, tomorrow is Saturday, and Sunday comes afterwards. Yes, we do love the Friday song that teaches us about the wonderful days of the week. In a cringy song. Let's go, kiddo. It's been a long day. It's time for some rest. Okay, I've had enough fun too. If you do it, the hoodie comes off? You mean it's like the reverse? Oh, well, what's this? A kind of a summary of the chapter, I guess. A nice steamy bath was needed to sweep away the tiredness that piled up during the day. That rucksack that brought back from the underground mine caught Harold's attention again. Who is Rain Fox, and what kind of secrets are hidden within that film they found in the rucksack? The spa here is wonderful. I feel refreshed. What are you reading, kiddo? The chief lent me this book. It talks about how a fisherman encounters a storm but ends up in a mysterious kingdom. What a cliche. I noticed that they don't have Adventure Express in the library. I'm going to donate an entire collection of it to their library once I get back. Is this the so-called investment Mr. Director was talking about? This is way more meaningful than investments. You just go and read your book. I'll go and develop some photos. Maybe develop those films we found in the mines as well. By the way, Miss Marion should be here any second now with our sweet dreams. Will you get the door when you hear it? Okie dokie, understood. Pretty fine, sweetie, just here at home. Sadly, it hasn't stopped raining here since Monday. I haven't been to work since Wednesday due to a storm that hasn't passed yet. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I heard, like, I think Morgus, for you, it has also been really rainy. Over here, we also have, like, a crazy storm. And it also, like, affected my travel home from office today. Because the trains, some of the trains didn't go because the train line was damaged. But yeah, eventually I made it home. Super rainy, yeah. But it's like not super rainy here, it's just stormy. It rains here and there a little bit, but yeah, I hope it passes soon. Wow, lake level is really high and starting to flood. Oh, that is really a problem. Wow. And at the same time you have like Texas where it's like 35 degrees in October. Heckin' windy. True, it was heckin' windy today. Anyways, we are gonna go to the dark room. Let's see. Switch to the dark room lights and do our stuff. We got 3 pictures here. I hope they won't be as scary as in another game we are playing. Let's try this one. Aww. Mrs. Peck is holding Billy and he's not that excited about it. Wait a minute, the person behind this... Huh? Oh, I didn't notice Mr. Lyles and Miss Marion were behind us when we took the photo. Interesting. Here goes the second one. Oh, I took this one by accident while falling down the cave. I'm really lucky that I didn't hurt myself falling from the tie up. Wow, very dramatic. Okay, now comes the third one. This will be interesting. These are from the film we found in the rucksack. On the photo it's an iron gate. I don't remember seeing anything like it. Is this still in the sanatorium? It's like 3 slots here. Interesting. Huh. They mentioned Target a few times in the diary we found with the film. They seem to be behind the gate, but even the owner of the diary wasn't able to go in there. That's why he tried to go through those underground ruins in the forest to find another way in, but it looks like it didn't go well. I hope he eventually made it out of those ruins alive. Hey, we did it. Phew, finally finished developing all of them. A lot of things happened today. Ring, ring, ring! Just a minute, I'm coming! Good evening, I'm delivering today's sweet dreams. Oh, it's you, Willy. Where's your uncle? It's Miss Marion with sweet dreams. Let's go and see. Yo, Pebbles! Extreme. Yes. I can't believe you just fell like that. What an adventure. I'm glad you are all safe. Beans! Yay! All the beans. Let's go, let's go. And the quote. Good evening, Mr. Harrod. Willie's just telling me about your big adventure. I heard you guys found the underground ruins. Beans! Oh, it's so cute while it murdered me. Aw. Yes, we did it! Who would have thought an accident can turn into a big discovery? We did discover some ancient ruins in the forest before, but we didn't know that they had some underground as well. Mr. Harrod, you're a true adventurer. You have such a great talent for finding things. Maybe you can try and look for the treasure here. Fine, let's get ready for bed once we finish Sweet Dreams. I'm sorry, Johnny. I'm sorry. Okie dokie. Oh, I want to have it in my tent tonight. Jeez, I really want to know what's going on in your head all day. Fine, I'll bring it for you. Midnight Lurker? Ooh, no, we got the White Lurker here. Indeed. Uncle Harrod is snoring already. You'll fall into deep sleep once you drink Sweet Dreams. Luckily, I didn't drink any tonight. We can start our undercover mission. Target, the little lizard in corridor 1F. Here I come. Monsters might appear in the sanatorium at night. I better wear my dinosaur armor. Sweet Dreams potion emits a soft glow, but today the great adventurer Willy has decided to go out exploring, so he won't drink it for now. Oops. Cute. Cute. He sleeps just like me. I always love sleeping under the blanket and then snoring loudly. The dinosaur armor made the great adventurer Willy will protect you from those monsters lurking in the dark. Let's go. All dressed up and ready to roll. The hunt for lizards adventures officially begins now. Alright, just in case we wake up that snoring sleepyhead, I've got to be light on my feet. He'll wake up if we run across the room. Oh, investigate. Wait, is this new? I did not expect a sanatorium here. The file said this manor doesn't belong to anyone. At least the information is correct. I can literally feel the waves here. It seems like the target is close by. I have to pick up my pace. It'd be in big trouble if those nerds in Durimath Institute found out what I'm doing. That bejeweled woman is trying everything to get close to me. I know what's up in her sleeves, but I have to participate in their absurd game if I want to get to the target. We read this before. To the target. They're like looking for the target. Yeah, the dinosaur head is really cute. Yeah, nothing new here. A rope? Okay. Sorry. Are you sure you want to leave now? Did we leave anything? I'm not sure. A big old grey wolf snoring right in the middle of the bed. Phew. A scruffy dude in his middle years who straight up denied snoring when I called him out on it. No, nothing more here. Let's leave and find some lizards. Lizard. Let's go! Destination Corridor 1F. I heard Mrs. Beck talk about seeing a lizard there. Right, so we need to go down one. The wizard lizards. Maybe. Oh. There's something. Or someone. Oh! Jeepers! There are staff members on patrol. I need to sneak to the stairs to go down. Fingers crossed I won't be seen or heard. If they come close, I'll just have to hide in that cabinet. Aren't I smart? Press shift to switch movement methods. Okay. There we go. We sneak past them. Eee! And different hoodie again? No, it's the red one. Victory! We have made it to 1F successfully. Only a stealth expert like Willy can perform such a perfect job. Yup, it's just like the night we checked in. There's no one here. Cool, let's head to the corridor ahead. The little lizard awaits. Eee! Johnny doesn't give up. Mrs. Beck said she saw a blue lizard here, but the corridor is huge. Where should I start? Oh, look at the Drang portrait. Oh, yeah, and the lizard. I see it. A blue little lizard that's glowing too. So pretty. I'm coming for you. I do love the Drang painting in the background though. No, Draken, don't run away. Oh no, it ran into the library. How can I catch it in a massive library? These glowing traces on the wall. I know, it must be the path the little lizard took when it was running away. I can use it to follow after it. There's no way it's slipping through my fingers this time. True, it cycles through all the hoodies. Wow, the library during the night is like a magical place. Little lizard, where are you? Okay, let's follow the goo, the blue goo. It's the world map again. Oh, is it in here? There's a glowing trail. The little lizard must went up to 2F. Can't go through here during the day, but during the night, there's no one to stop me. Oh, there it is. Saw it. There's the little lizard. I'll have to be careful when going near, otherwise it will run away again. No! Nearly got it. Oh no, it went through that little hole in the wall. That's no good. I can't get through a hole that small. This wall is different to the shops around it. Could it be another mechanism by the nymph family? Let me check it out. Yeah, there's like one of these. A monster with a bird's head. There are some golden checkers. It has stars on top of it, but one's still missing. This lid can be opened. Let's see what it is underneath it. Oh. There are lots of tiny holes on the panel. I think it's telling me to put all the chess pieces into the right place. I think we have to look for the missing piece first. Interesting. Huh. Oh, what's this? Ooh. Can I pull it down here too? Oh, that looks good. Diary fragment. Huh? Another diary fragment? This is the journal of the second brother, Choman Nymph. There's even his spider implant sketched on the page. It says that Helois has awakened the family bloodline. Wow, it seems she's gained some sort of superpower. Ooh. When I learned that Helois had awakened the family bloodline, I was truly astonished. I never imagined such a mysterious power would resurface. There was a time I even suspected that it was just a story crafted by our family. But after that excitement faded, we were gripped by fear. Pedria told me that our little sister would eventually fall deeper into the dreamland, never to awaken again. She would pass away quickly in her sleep, a fate that has awaited every member of the nymph family. I cannot let this happen. Ooh. Interesting. Glass. Is this a lamp? What an exquisite design. This glass shade on the other side has glowing blue gemstones in it, but this one doesn't. What a pretty light! The blue gemstone inside doesn't run on electricity, yet it provides just enough glow to light up the room. What a sustainable resource. And there we go, Johnny! You got what you wanted. Here we go. Shirtless Brixie, finally. Are you happy now? No hoodie here. What do we have here? There's a blue gemstone in the middle of the mural. It's a little loose. Ah, not the tail. If you wanted to combine those two, you were not quick enough, I'm afraid. Not for long if I have something to say about... Let's go, let's go. No, I'm covered. Thank you. Nobody sees my naked chest, right? Right? I don't see anything either, though. Rah. But yes, there's a blue gemstone in the middle of the mural. It's a little loose. Maybe it could be useful for later. Let's borrow it for now. Yes, 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 yes. Get all the shiny stones. I approve. I approve. I missed losing hoodie. Yeah, it just happened. It just happened. Sea wings instead. A good thing to look at. All these people are hanging in midair. Were they caught by the big spider? That's scary. I don't want to get caught by a spider. One of them is like missing the gemstone. What's in here? Ooh, there's something shiny. Oh, it's a slideshow. It says The Myths of Leoglid. There's a projector downstairs. I could take the slideshow and play it there. Alright, let's go. Let's watch some cinema. Spiders, I know, the spoders. So, let's put it in here. This blue gemstone was just found fit. We just found fits perfectly. Now everything is in perfect symmetry. And it opens the door that is in the middle of the two gemstones. Who would have thought? Ooh, a statue with a bird's head. Miss Amy said this can open the map below. Ooh. A new mechanism. Cool. The feathers on top of the head look like the key to solve this puzzle. Oh. Demonstrate? What's demonstrate? Oh! Okay. Yay! Oh, what the heck is that? Did you hear that? It sounds like the map's open. Let's hurry and see what it's like inside. But before we do that, gonna take a short break and grab some more to drink. So I'm gonna be right back. Or not. Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in. Well, thank you, King, for the raid. I hope you had a lovely stream. All the tales. Let's go. We do love tales here. The cozy vibes. Yes, welcome in here. Yee! Thank you for the shout out, Sanyo. Yes, check out King, of course. Thank you for the raid. I hope you had a lovely time with the beans. Oh my god. I hope you had a lovely time with Binding of Isaac. And that you had your lovely stream. Welcome in, everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Brixie Bridemain, Fluffy Dragon at Heart from Austria, or Orca Dragon at Heart from Austria. As you can see right here, I have multiple forms. And Noodle, welcome in, Noodle, who just requested the plushie as well. Also, Big O, welcome in here. Mox, welcome in. Rexy here as well. I see a Frankie too. Welcome in. Or a plushie dragon at heart. True. But yes, everyone check out King. They are a lovely cutie. Cute kobold from Team Fluffy as well. And welcome in, Mike, as well, and Nexus Tix as well. Good to see you, cuties. I hope you all have been having a wonderful week so far. And yes, get cozy in here. We are playing Mercury Abbey today, which is a lovely adventure game with furry characters. As you can see, wonderful pixel art. And yeah, we are currently just sneaking around this manor here, looking for a blue little lizard, and yeah, in the middle of unraveling some mysteries while doing so. But yes, welcome in. Let me give a shout out to Mike here as well. We can also give a shout out to Nexus Tix in a minute as well, because they are all lovely cuties from Team Fluffy. Same as Noodle, of course, too. And Noodle wants to see me as a plushie, so let's switch over. Mike was... Oh, you were playing Phasmophobia. Perfect for spooky month. Yes, here I am. Here is the plushie. Extra cuddleable Brixie. But yes, get cozy in here, everyone. Get cozy. And King, thank you so much for the raid. If you have to raid and run, take care. Get cozy, get some sippy and some noms. And yeah, thank you again for the raid. Eee, plushy tight hugs. Aww, I take those hugs. With pleasure. But yes, just as you raided in, I wanted to quickly grab a drink, so everyone get cozier, grab a drink as well. I'm gonna be right back with you all in a minute, and then we're gonna continue discovering all the mysteries here. Let's go. All right, we are back. I got some sippy now again.
Servus.
And thank you for the hydrate. Dankeschön fürs Schluckerl und für Strecken. Ach, Dankeschön, Nexus. Dankeschön. Strecken. Und ja, ich schaue anders aus, Clem. Ich habe verschiedene Formen. Ich kann mich transformieren. Nein, ich kann mich verwandeln in den Plushy Brixie Darkfin und Brixie Bridemaid. Und ja, ich habe auch die Beeren, die Bohnen, die Beans, wie auch immer sie heißen. Aber da haben wir es. Schön aus Leder. Kunstleder natürlich. Ja, das sind die Bohnen. Aber. Hier ist es nah. Und ja, und Dankeschön für den Shoutout für Noodle. Und ja, Sanjo, du hast das eh alles unter Kontrolle. Ich bin das noch gar nicht gewohnt, dass ich jemanden habe, der da auf alles schaut. Das ist wirklich super, super nett von dir. Danke. And we're back to English. But yes, Clem, yes, I have like different forms I can take, like 3 of them. One of them is the normal fluffy Brixie Bridemaid, then I have the Brixie Darkfin, and then I also have Plushy Brixie. So people can redeem to change my form every half an hour, and there is like a cooldown of that. So yes, let's go. Let's continue here. I hope everyone is cozy by now. Who came in with King's Raid here. And here. Just gonna go downstairs and see what it is that we found there are unlocked. Didn't know the last one. Yeah, it's a little just me in plushy form that I got a while ago. I really like this avatar. It was actually like really easy to set up too. And it's by Nico Raider, who does like amazing avatars. And yeah, they have like one, like a pool toy plushy one. And I went for the plushy version. And yeah, you'd like it. I'm extra colorable this way. All right, we have all the beeps and boops here. Wow, lots of pretty bulbs. I wasn't expecting to see something like this. Ooh. This is the missing piece. Did someone hide it here? Yo, we found the knob. Let's go. There's a star carved on the coin, which sparkles in the night. Anything else we can do here? I was afraid it would be like some kind of complex riddle we have to solve here, but thankfully we don't really need to click anything. Anything else down here that we can click? Click, click, click. No, we can't sip the coffee. Beans! Yay! Ah, thank you for the beans. I wonder what's behind there. Oh, there's the projector. Is it? Yeah, okay, okay. Of course. This is the what's the English word for Leinwand? The thing that the blanket we project on. Yes. Miss Lulu was watching this projector in the morning. Now it's my turn. Canvas? Movie canvas? Projector is open. Just in time for me to test out this slideshow I found. I wonder what's it gonna be about. Me too, buddy. Oh, how convenient. These patterns of the stars looks exactly like those pieces we saw on 2F. I see, so this is the way we should place it. Ooh, also good creature. Oh, it's talking about a star sign. The slideshow said the myths of Leucolid, but I don't remember a star sign called this. We saw this before, though. I remember seeing this. Neri. Do we need to write this down, or does the game actually like I think it, yeah, note edit. Let's hope that noted it down. Let's see. No, not what I want. F. Yes, F. Photo snippets. No, collect. Slideshow sketch. Yes, that's the one. Did we mark down the other thing too? Apparently not. Yo, happy lurking. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. Yo. Ah, enjoy your hot chocolate, Johnny. Ba. Still feel like this one is interesting. There's like a heart here in the middle. Anyways, so let's go upstairs and solve that riddle. Wonder if we can open it while we actually look at the thing. Oh yeah, thankfully the game is so nice and lets us take a look on the notes while doing this riddle. Now we have found all the pieces. Let's have think about it. How should I place it? Star on the left. There. 4-star circle thingy goes over there. This one goes there. The pointy one goes there. The 4 one does go there. And the last one was there. Yo! That's the griffin. Oh, and there we go. Whoosh. Yes! Secret discovered. Let's go. It's open. I know there's a secret passage here. Let's go and get that little lizard. Woo! Wow, who would have thought there's a secret passage behind the library? I knew this place was full of secrets and traps. Oh god, spider webs. Oh, diary on the floor. There are a lot of pamphlets here. It's all sheet music and opera programs. Huh? What's this? Fenrir and Yerman were nervous about telling me the truth. They were worried that I'd be afraid. Truthfully speaking, I've known the reason why I kept falling asleep for a long time. The family legacy has chosen me, right at the time when we almost forgot about it. I am honored and grateful to be part of the nymph and have received this gift. In return, I shall follow the path of my ancestors to pursue that legendary gate. I sure love talking real. Yay! We found the lizard! Aw, there we go. The little lizard is here. Hey, thank goodness it's trapped by the web. Otherwise it will be gone again. Lizard, lizard, lizard. Yay! Lizard gotten. Ta-da! Mission accomplished. The great adventurer Willy explored the library of the Magic Palace and successfully captured the glowing lizard. Mr. Rahimi will be pleased. Oh no. Ah, move! Huh? What's that sound? Is it an earthquake? Move! Move! No! Oh my god. Fly, you fool! Don't stand there. Oh, what is this? Why is the floor under me vibrating? Oh, let me talk about it for 10 minutes before it finally gives way. No, that's such a trope. Jeez, what's with it today? Falling here and there. Luckily, I adjusted myself last minute. 10 per 10, a perfect landing. Oh, right, where am I? Huh? It's Madame Suliman's divination house. I didn't know the roof was connected to the library. Alrighty, let's head back now we captured the little lizard. Uncle will freak out if he wakes up and I'm not in the room. Need Brixie lizard? Brixard? Really haven't slept enough last night. Ah, Cupidity. Arr. Alright, let's head down here. Chuck, 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 chuck. Climb, 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 climb. Oh yeah. Wow, there's someone. They found out. Lure him out. Who told you to do that? Might expose us. You got to deal with first. I mean, that's the lion, right? I mean, that's the lion snoot. Hide and the sky. Someone's there. Did they snuck out of the room too? A little prank won't hurt, right? Oh god, really? No. No! Aboo! I gotcha! It is forbidden to leave your room during the night. Oh. What? What? Oh. Ouch, something just tripped me. Huh? Something's shiny over here. Shiny? Huh? It's a broken glass bottle and 2 broken insect legs? It looks like the legs of some kind of arthropod. I should take it with me and show it to Uncle. He'll know what they are. This glass bottle looks so delicate. I think it's customized. What a shame that it's broken. I better be careful to not cut myself. It looks like the... yeah. I wonder where the rest of its body and why was it in a little bottle? Let's wrap them up like using a handkerchief first, right? Wasn't I going after those 2 mystery men? Click, clack. Oh. Little Willy, what are you doing here? Where's your uncle? Well, he's asleep in our room, Mr. Rector. I saw a mystery man. They ran away after I scared them. A mystery man? What, I just came from that way and no one was there. Are you sleepwalking? It's dangerous for someone your age to be out by themselves at night. Come on, I have to send you back. Okay, fine. I'll head back right now. I hope Uncle Harold won't be mad when he finds out. So what about the person that was lying there on the ground? Is nobody mentioning that? That we tripped over? Was that the madam? What? Okay, I guess not. Oh, it's raining outside. Cozy. Mr. Director, thank you so much for taking care of Willy last night. I'm terribly sorry for all the trouble. Nah, not important. There's nothing to apologize for, Mr. Harold, as long as Willy is safe. I almost jumped out of my skin when I found him wandering alone last night. I already told him off for that. I didn't expect him to have the nerve to sneak out at night. I just wanted to help Grandpa Ramimi to find his little lizards. Oh, and I saw the mystery man again in the concert hall. Ah, I see, Steel. Of course, that makes sense. Mystery man? But the room is still under refurbishment. Perhaps that you saw was just the scaffolding rattling in the wind. Or could it be some kind of magic Madame Suleiman left there? Anyway, this happened all because of our carelessness. I've arranged for stricter night guards to prevent any accidents from happening here now on. I will keep an eye on him too. I'm telling you, buddy, your dessert allowance for today is nil. Humph, I don't care about desserts. I'm telling you, there are mystery monsters here at night. That's what's more important. I should bid you farewell for now, Mr. Harold. I've lots of businesses to take care of. Goodbye, Mr. Director. Again, I'm sorry for all the trouble caused. Now, let's get back to business. Do you know how dangerous it is for you to go out by yourself at night? Oh no, Mr. Harold! Mr. Harold, something's wrong with the boilers again. Huh? Why are you coming to me with it? Shouldn't Mr. Repairman be in charge of these? I mean, it is his responsibility after all. I can't find him anywhere. He left us no choice but to come to you. Come on, the boiler room is already flooded. Is it that bad? We'll head over there right away. Kiddo, once you're done with breakfast, you're going straight to the library. You're not allowed to leave this building or running off by yourself again, you copy? Fine, I got it. You're talking my ear off. Just go already. Humph, no desserts, he says. I'll figure a way to lay my hands on them myself. Let me think. I'm sure Miss Amy will give some if I ask. I'll go look for her right now. But first, I will have a sippy. Oh, chatting guests. Mr. Rahimi, you spend more than enough money and time here at the sanatorium. Have you changed your mind about becoming a premium member here? I should thank you for introducing this lovely place to me, but I'm quite content about the current situation. I have no interest in those activities you have going on. I heard you keep an enormous amount of savings in the bank. That's such a waste of fortune. I would say now's the perfect time to invest in the sanatorium. Many cute cats. Eee! Oh, look who we have here. It's Lil Willy. I can't thank you enough for finding my precious Miss Amber. I never go back on my word, Grandpa Rahimi. A promise is a promise. Adventurer Willy will track down all of your lizards for sure. Oh my, what a rude boy. Can you see that we are in the middle of some important business? Someone should really teach you some manners so you won't run off like you did last night. You shouldn't say that, Mrs. Cryera. He's doing this all for me. What you just said is a little over the top. But promise me, little Willy, don't do this again, okay? I'll be worried sick if you get hurt while finding my lizards. What should I ask about? About lizards. Mr. Rahimi, why can't I pronounce your name correctly? Mr. Rahimi, now we retrieved 2 lizards. How many of them are left? They are all three in total. The green one is Dr. Arkham, the blue one is Miss Amber, and finally the yellow one, Sir Dobby. A yellow little lizard, huh? What's he like? Sir Dobby is crazy about sweets. The naughty little guy always finds his way to my desserts. Desserts? I see. That's an important clue. I'll keep an eye out for it. I'll find him for you for sure. Thank you, little Willy. But what should I ask about? Hey, kid. Tell us about your night. What did you do? I only tell my cool adventures to those who's not so annoying. You think people actually care about your adventures? How naive. They are probably just as boring as your uncle's novels. What I'm trying to say is, did you see anyone suspicious? Well, speaking of which, I did see this one person sneaking around. Oh, who is it? Where did you see them? Pretending to be mysterious. It's someone who's patrolling the corridors. It's Mr. Dauben. Who did you think I saw? You damn kid. This is exactly why I don't like children. It's time for me to get moving again. See you soon, Mr. Rohini. Anything else here? No. No. Investigate. Ooh, these statues are pretty epic. Yes. Ooh. The statues of the three warriors of the High Azure clan. The marble wears a thin layer of mist gauze gifted by the rain. Ooh. Hi, little Willy. I heard you snuck last night. What happened to your sweet dreams then? Hee, I poured them down the sink. Oh dear, what a waste of good stuff. I mean, if you gave them to me, I could have seen Amelia once again. Uncle Thénardier, I hate to break it to you, but take these words from my uncle. No matter how realistic your dreams turn out with the help of sweet dreams, a dream is a dream after all. What is more important than anything else right now is to face reality and live positively. Also pay attention to the people and things around us. I think Amelia wouldn't want to see you staying like this either. Oh, thank you, little Willy. I'm trying my best to return to being the me I once was as well. Aw, that's sweet. Birds! Yes, I do love the birds too. Where did you go last night? Did you see anyone? I did see two mysterious men. There's probably some sort of monster hiding in the concert hall. Oh, you just stayed inside the sanatorium and walked around? That's glad to hear. It's quite dangerous around here during the night. Promise me you won't do it again, okay? Uncle Thénardier, why don't you just ask the reception for more sweet dreams if you want any? There's a fixed quota for sweet dreams. Miss Marion distributes them based on the number of guests each day. Besides... never mind, it's nothing. Then I'll keep my portion of sweet dreams for you next time and give it to you during breakfast. That's sweet of you, Willy, but it's fine. Once Sweet Dreams is out of its unique container, it will lose its effect very soon. What should I ask about? Nothing. Uncle Thénardier seems to be missing his daughter again. Let's leave him to it. Aww. It's the corridor. Ooh. Hey, little guy. I heard you snuck out by yourself last night. That's pretty brave of you to do so. Tell me, what's the sanatorium like during the night? I'm curious about it too. Children, huh? They are always so energetic. Honestly though, you should come and train with me if you can't find a way to get rid of all those energies. I don't think it's a good idea to run around by yourself at night. Also, look at these beans. They are amazing, aren't they? Very cute. Thank you, Parsi. Beans before bed? That sounds like a good idea. Have you forgotten about those stories I told you? Nymphs will come out at night feasting on wandering children like you. Really? Uncle Yanker Jr.? You can't scare me with your corny stories. Besides, how come everyone knows that I snuck out last night? Also, I hope you will sleep well later, Parsi. Up, if you're going to bed soon. Gonna tuck this cutie in. Also, pets! Aww, thank you. Hope you're doing lovely and having a cozy evening, Rio. Okay, everyone is awake again. Thank you for the hydrate, Rio. And you got the coffee hydrate, the special one. Let's go. Beans on toast, redeem, my dear. Thank you for the stretch, too. Yes, Mlem Rio. Still EP. Aww, tuck the Sanyo in. Maybe you should have some sweet dreams as well. But last night, speaking of which, did you see anything interesting last night? I mean, even as the staff here, we cannot stay out at night. Of course, I saw two mysterious men. Well, actually, we saw strange shadows on our first night here too, but they were slightly different, I think. Could it be that the nymphs actually exist? I'm actually quite a fan of those supernatural activities. Maybe I should sneak out once or twice. Oh, stop being a peacer, Mr. Champo. Did you see the look on the director's face? I'll swear you'll be fired in no time if you snuck out too. Has anyone seen Mr. Repairman? Chief told us the boilers are down again, but they can't find him anywhere. Truthfully, I don't think that guy ever fixed anything. I wonder what's his salary like. If it's higher than being a lead, I'd be more than happy to replace him. Oh, please don't. If you were going to become the repairman, who's gonna make this delicious? What's it called again? Oh, right, seaweed bubble drink. The great adventurer Willy must get on with his business. He'll come back for you once he's free. Catch you later. He'll leave the dining room. Do we leave the dining room? We leave the dining room. Let's go. If they don't keep any desserts here, then I'll find my own way to it. There are these again. Honestly, is it safe to just leave that in the kitchen? I'm worried. There's no other way. We'd be in much bigger trouble if the guests found out about it. Luckily, the director found it before anyone else. Hello? Mr. Director, how can I help? Yes, I understand. I won't let any guests enter the kitchen. Yes, just leave it with me. I'll make sure no one gets past me. Goodbye. That's annoying. Mr. Director just told me to stay here and keep an eye out, but Marion asked me to fix the windows not too long ago. Stop complaining. Do you remember how mad the director was when he found out you let that kid snug out? Don't mess it up again. I know. It was so hard to notice though. That kid is tiny. I've got an idea. How about you stay here and keep me company? Oh, please. I don't have the time to stay. The boilers are down again and I have to help. You better stay here and do as you're told. Here goes. Beam's duty today is to act as the faithful guard. No one shall pass through. What about that window Marion told me about? Did I just say that something in the kitchen? It must be super delicious food if it needs someone to guard it. Oh, Willy. I'll find my own way to the desserts since Uncle Harold won't allow me to have any. But Uncle Beam is guarding the passage to the kitchen. I've got to find a way to make him leave. Huh? It's you, Willy, the naughty boy, sniffing around past your bedtime. You're the culprit as to why the director was so mad at me last night. I'm sorry, Uncle Beam. What are you doing here? Did you hide some good stuff in the kitchen? What? Nothing is in the kitchen. You're not allowed in there, okay? The Must have hid some good stuff in there for Uncle Bean to act so suspicious. What can I do to distract him? Well, I guess it has something to do with the window. Ooh. Madam Suleiman, is your divination house closed for today? Mumplup Kuwasali, listen carefully. You'll hear the threats of evilness being pulled by the wheel of fates as it creaks in the air. A certain someone invited disaster into their room last night. And that person is you little mischief. Well, no, it's not me. It must be the two mysterious men. And why do you know about me sneaking out last night too? Nothing, and I repeat nothing, escapes Madame Suleiman's vision. Now here's a piece of advice. Make sure no one catches you if you have decided to walk in the dark. Now let's see where those mysterious men dwelt. Mumplup Kuwasali. Woo! Fancy. In the chaos of midnight, an unseen lurker and the half-blood prince find themselves entangled, pulling at each other. The victim, trapped in a realm of relentless cold, silently cries for help. Phew, I'm exhausted for today. I accidentally skipped breakfast again. I'll see you around, little guy. Bye. Huh? Is that it? Was kind of pretty when she performed the divination trick though, but Madame Suleiman, she always seems kind of crazy. I'll ask her to do it again once I'm done with the desserts. Maybe I can bring her some desserts on my way too. Ah, you're too sweet. Okay, let's see if we can find a way into the kitchen. Can we go in there? No. We can go to the lobby, and there was something about Miss Marion. Oh my, it's you, little Willy. I heard you snuck out last night. That's so naughty. Don't do something so dangerous in the future again, okay? Does everyone in the sanatorium know about my adventures last night? Fine then. What are you guys talking about? The windows are stuck again. They can't be closed. Miss Miranda is throwing a tantrum about it. That repairman came a few times, but not once did he fix it. What? Goo dragon with green sword? What? What? Where? Did I miss that? Mr. Repairman is caught up in some other business today, but I have already... Here, the Sanyo! Look at my sword. Oh my god, you got a green sword? Oh! Okay, sorry. How do you see? Ich stehe auf der Leitung. Yes. Sanyo is one of our lovely moderators now, supporting me, being so lovely. I'm so cute. Just you. Anyway, Marion saying, Mr. Repairman is caught up in some other business today, but I've already arranged for another colleague to come and take a look. Could you please bear with me for a second? Uncle Repairman is definitely hiding somewhere, loafing on his job. He's being so lovely. Yeah, that beans you. Reception memo. Oh, what's this? That's a cool logo. It looks kind of like a lion's face with the teethies, but it's also like the side view of a lion. Oh. Why is Mr. Lyle's business card here? Lyle's antique. I thought he was a jeweler. Wow, it's the sanatorium's phone book. I could use it to contact the other guests through the intercom. I'll borrow it for now. No call. Reception. First corridor. 100. Okay. What's this? Is this Miss Marion's work memo? She has so many things going on in a day. It sure looks a handful. Room 205, Mr. Tilldew, blocked toilet. Room 210, leakage and can't find her pearl necklace. 201, change to silk covers. 4 p.m, extra afternoon tea. Missing turtle-shaped earrings. I think that repairman is a thief. Anyways, room 212, Madame Suleiman wants to solve the matrix of the tower and had asked us to prepare the following. Cinnabar rice ears, hemp ropes, black walnut branches, dried lizards. No, don't tell me you're stealing the lizards from the old guy to try them. Oh. 7 p.m, arrange a conversation for Mr. Director and Mr. Lyles. 8 p.m, deliver Mr. Hornbell's iron clothes. I see. Okay, that's it. I can use the phone to call Uncle BM over, and then I can sneak into the kitchen through the staff passage. Let me see, what's the number for the 1F corridor? Oh, everyone, do you know how to use these? It's real neat. You actually just put your finger into the number you want to dial, and then you rotate it all the way over until like this little thing, and that's like how many rotations it goes. It knows what number you dialed. We had one of those when I was still a kid, and I loved those phones. They're so nice and analog and cool. And is this Uncle? Is this Bayham? I need you at this reception right now. Is it about the broken window? But I can't go anywhere at the moment. The director ordered me to guard the staff passage so none of our guests can get into the kitchen. A broken window? Ah, yes, that's it. Whatever you have going on there, leave it for now and get over here as soon as possible. If you insist, I'll be there in a minute, but you better send someone to take over. Uncle BM should be heading this way. Let's sneak into the staff passage while no one's here. Ah, there he is. Let's go. Let's go! Sneak into the kitchen. This was it, right? Yes. Okay. I smell food. The kitchen must be down here. Here I come, my darling cakes and sweets. That's strange, it won't open. Huh? It's Mr. Lyles. Huh, why are you here, kiddo? This place isn't open to guests. That's my question to you. What are you doing here? I just wanted to borrow some tools from Mr. Repairman. Never mind, Ten. He's not here anyway. Bye, you annoying little kid. Oh my god, he was really going for that lock there. There are like claw marks here. I'm not a kid, I'm a wolf. He's so suspicious. Why did he leave after he saw me if he really came for some tools? Never mind, I don't have the time to care about whatever he is up to. Better head to the kitchen first. Let's see some scratches on it. Okay. Hopefully we won't find any more handsome looking dragons down here. I mean, let me have a sippy. Ooh, what's this? Diary fragment. There are piles of waste paper and flyers here. There's a diary entry tucked in here. Let's check out who it belongs to. This time it's a diary fragment from the second brother, German Nymph. It seems all those scary stories about the manor came from Eloa's little pranks. Interestingly, since Eloas hasn't quite mastered the dream wandering technique yet, she's been slipping into the dreams of nearby villagers lately. Maybe it's due to her little mischiefs, but now all sorts of frightful legends and rumors about our family are spreading through the villages again. Nymph Manor has once more earned its reputation as a cursed place. I quite enjoy watching the fear in their eyes. No! Miss Lulu was locked in this exact magical cabinet, and her savior? Yes, it's me, the great adventurer Willy. Wait a minute, what's tied to the cabinet? The robe is wrapped with feathers and red beads. means. It looks like some exorcism tool. There's a piece of paper on it too. It looks like a spell from the east. Madame Suleiman left it here. I didn't know she could make spells like this. If we put it this way, this must be a magical cabinet, no doubt. Hang on a minute. Has Madame Suleiman locked another evil spirit into it? If you encounter any paranormal activities, please visit between... I'll be awaiting someone's divination. Alright. It's a shame. I wanted to see the handsome dragon again. Alright, where are the cakes? Ooh. Wow, what a huge kitchen. Have they started to prep for lunch already? It smells so cool. Yeah. Yo, Wingrat, hello. Me? Are you a cake? Oh, the handsome dragon. Oh, yeah. No, we saw a very, very handsome looking dragon earlier here. And apparently it was like the first zone of someone's who paid a lot for Kickstarter to be put in the game. But yes, you're handsome too. Ah, bah, 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 bah. Yeah. Wow, what a huge kitchen. I just started it smells so good. Now, Ben, no more mistakes today. If you burn those vegetable stew again, I'll tell Uncle Ben about all of your good work. Fine, fine, I got it. Look, what I brought with me today, just in case. Ta-da! It's an alarm clock. This way I'll know when to adjust the temperature. Fine then. I'll trust you one last time. I should go and start to prepare the bread. La la la! It's blueberry bread today. Let's see what else I can add to it. More blueberries. Jump, 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 jump. It's Miss Amy and Uncle Darwin. I've got to be careful so they don't catch me. Right. Yeah, let's not run. Oh, we can hide. Oh, what? Ah! He's coming! Let's hide. It's vegetable. Oh, they got us here. Still need to add the mint leaves later. Okay. I think we can sneak out now. Right behind him. All right. I think he's distracted. Oh, let's... Okay. I think the alarm clock will ring again. And he will go down and it will be sneak past him. All right. We got this. Let's go. Wait. Okay, we took the alarm clock for whatever reason. Ah! Okay, that should not have happened. Ah! Okay. Let's do this again. Okay, so now we know what happens, at least, if we get caught. It's not a game over. Okay, he's gonna stir the stew. Yes, alright. Now we get out of here. Then we sneak past here. Oh, I know what... Ah! Oh my god, that's... that surprised me. Wow. Okay, let's wait again. I was too greedy. I was too fast. Okay. We are waiting. He will stir the stew. Ba, 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 ba. Yes. Do it. Just do it. Okay. We get out. Just need to make sure to not get too close. Let's wait until he is like really distracted. Okay. Let's hide in here. The alarm clock will go off. Then he will walk down here. We will take the alarm clock. Then we hide again here. And then we will just wait for the things to happen. I have a feeling that since we stole the alarm clock, something will go wrong with the dishes. So they will walk over there, and Miss Amy will also. All right. Let's wait. Soon, soon, soon. Come on, come on. Yeah, you're forgetting about the pots. And a second now. Come on. I know. Is something happening? I thought something would happen. Okay, at least now he's not going there anymore. So this gives us more time to walk down here. Okay, she doesn't find. Place the alarm. Okay. I'll use this alarm clock to distract them. This is what you call diverting one's attention. How would I do that? Would I go in here? Okay. I'm gonna wait until she's like onto the left and turn on the alarm. And I'm hiding in the closet on the left, on the right. TikTok, this is the countdown to eat the cake. Okay. Gonna go in here. Ah, all right. She will go down. You scared me. Okay, she's moving. She's moving. Let's get the key. Yes, yes, yes. Don't talk to me. Just give me the key. And there. Ooh, look at the big fish. Oh, it's the cold storage. Brr, it's freezing in here. There must be some tasty things in here. Maybe even ice creams. I have to move fast though, otherwise I'd catch a cold. The button. What does the button do? There's a switch up there, but I can't reach it. Climb, push. Alright, let's push it. Oh no. Everyone, I don't like this. I really don't like this. This looks like there's someone. That's scary. Alright. Oh, what's here? It's covered by a white sheet. Let's see. Oh. Wow. That looks very, very cozy. Uh-huh. I think we found the body we were walking over yesterday. But welcome in, Trace. Welcome in to horrible death and dead bodies. I hope you're doing well. I'm terribly sorry that our mistake has caused such panic. Please rest assured, Willie is now all safe. Thank goodness little Willie is okay, but how could you not tell anyone that something happened to Mr. Repairman? Is he ill or did something happen to him? Hang on, could it be the curse? Must be the nymph's curse. Please, calm down, Chief. Stop fussing around. Let's hear what the director has to say first. There's nothing to worry about. Mr. Repairman was bitten by a wild bee when he was inspecting the sprinklers and ended up fainting from an allergic reaction. Right. Yeah. We were supposed to send him to the hospital in town, but as you are aware, due to seasonal rain and fog, we can't leave the mountains at the moment. But Miss Marion has already checked. There's nothing wrong with his health. Am I right, Champo? was quite the timing, Trace. But I'm happy that you are doing fine. Are you ready for stage flight tomorrow? Yes, you're right. Mr. Repairman is in good condition at the moment. He just needs more rest. I believe he'll recover and wake up soon, and before we know it, he will return to his beloved job. Madame Suleiman can sense it. Sense of unease are spreading across this place. This is a guidance. I shall perform a divination right away. Kuela Sali Vasaku. I think we are fine for now, Madame Suleiman. Everyone else should return to their rooms too. This is just a tiny accident, and I hope it won't interfere with your retreat. Mr. Harold, can I have a moment with you, please? Phew, Madame Suleiman is always saying some strange stuff. Mr. Harold, I'm so sorry for what happened, but who would have thought that the little guy would go into the kitchen by himself? It's fortunate that nothing terrible has happened to him. Miss Marion gave Willie a thorough check and everything is fine. He's just a little frightened. I'm not that worried about Willie. He's known for his bravery. It's just that... What happens to Mr. Repairman? Like I said, an allergic reaction. That's it. You know, for people with allergies. For example, peanuts. Even the slightest amount would trigger great symptoms. I should arrange for a complete insect expulsion immediately to prevent something like this from happening again. If you could excuse me, Mr. Harrods. Goodbye, Mr. Director. Yeah, I don't buy it. I think the director is hiding something. Yes, me too. Let's go to the clinic to check on Billy first. And we could find out about the repairman situation while we are there. Here. Right. I still think something's not quite right. What if it actually is the curse? Say no more, Chief. We should trust the director. There's nothing to worry about it, if it's just a wild bee. But, Madame Suleiman, what do you think? Maybe we do need your divination after all. Still gotta practice your dancing a bit more tomorrow? Ah, yes! As long as you have lots of fun tomorrow. I can't wait, I can't wait. Miabloop, Kazabu, the uneasy sense still lingers. It's giving me shivers. Maybe I should go and grab some layers. What? Jeez, Madame Suleiman, I can lend you my jacket if you need. Okay, so I think the director is hiding something. Let's go to the clinic to check on Willie first, and we could find out about the repairman situation while we're there. But it's in the other direction, Brixie, so you are walking me in the wrong one. Ah, okay. But... wow! The dirt became small! Yay! I become plushy-sized. I'm very cuddleable and very soft. And also probably gonna end the stream. Because we have reached the end of today, and I still need a little bit of noms. Pantable, Pantsiu. Let's check on let's check on Willie and then we can end the stream. Okay, okay. He's doing fine. This cake is so delicious. Where are you here? Huh? It's you, Mr. Harrod. Are you here to see Willie? He's fine now. He was just a little scared earlier. If he can still eat, then everything is fine indeed. I heard they say you were crying out for me. No, nonsense. I wasn't scared at all. But Mr. Repairman was really scary. Who would have thought there's a person in the cold storage? And who would have thought a kid like you would sneak into the cold storage by themselves? Didn't I tell you to not run around? Hope you learned a lesson or two. Snowwave! Hello! Oh my goodness! Look, they're a cute puppy just like you. Or maybe you're more like Harold. Oh, please. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Happy it's finally the weekend now. Eee. Very cute. Oh, please, I don't need lessons 24/7. But what happened to Mr. Repairman? Was he attacked by the monsters from the mountains? There was a lot of blood on him. According to our assumption, he was bitten by a wild bee. As for the blood, maybe it's from the fall after he fainted. What kind of wild bee can leave marks like that? Humph, there must be more to it. Just leave it to me. I'll solve this case for ya. This could be a murder. All right. Yeah, okay, maybe Snow Wave. Maybe that's more like you. I don't know. Both look pretty cute. Alright, let's shout out this cutie, though. But yes, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. I was at the office working today. Got some nice noms. Then had a little bit of a chill weekend afternoon. And yeah, the stream went well so far. We are closing into the end here. Just checking on little Willy here. And yeah, other than that, I'm hyped for tomorrow. There will be Stage Flight, a rave in VR I'm looking forward to. And a lovely, lovely stream with Ryoku. So, yay! But yes, let's see. And how are you doing, Snail Wave? How are you doing? And thank you for the pets. Hurry slowly. Welcome in. Oh my god, that's a scary one. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh my god. That is Halloween material. Anyways, all right, that's enough, my big detective. No more troubles from now on. Miss Marion, could I go in and see Mr. Repairman? Sure thing. He's just in there. I'll stay here and keep an eye on for Willy. What should I ask about? Oh, something is locked here. Interesting. I didn't know wild bees came out of this season. I mean, I haven't seen any since I arrived. I heard that the wild bees in the mountains would hide somewhere warm to build their hives. Maybe Mr. Repairman startled them by accident when he was inspecting. I'm doing good. Let's go, let's go. Lovely to hear that. Yes, everyone, check out Snow Wave. They are a lovely, lovely, cute wolf. And, recently, just chatting. I love doing that as well. People here know. Is that so? Something doesn't quite feel right. Wild bees. Rest assured, Mr. Harrod, we will soon perform a complete insect expulsion. This won't happen again. Prixie and me and chatting, right? That's, yeah, that never happened. How is Mr. Repairman now? He's still in a deep coma. I've already treated his wounds, but we don't know when he will wake up. But as far as now, his vital signs are still relatively stable. He should be fine. Yes, I hope he'll make it through as well. What should I ask about? Let's leave. I'll stop bothering you. Okay, but yes, I think we're gonna end it here for today. We're gonna check out the body of Mr. Repairman next week. Probably on Friday again. And yeah, gonna take you all over to the Cozy Corner Cafe. Let's have a little chat there, and then we are gonna look for someone to raid. Let's go. And thank you for being here. Yes, everyone, thank you so much for joining today, especially to King with the raid here. We also have Solace with the resub, we have Flo with the resub as well, Morgus with the resub, and oh my goodness, actually 12 months. It was a year already, holy heck. Then we have X-Wingrat with the resub, as well as Johnny too with the resub. Thank you so much, Johnny. And yes, that's it, cuties, for today. I hope you enjoyed the stream a lot. I know the first part again was very chatty. But I'm very, very happy about the art commission I got today, and I love talking about it too. So let's see who we are gonna rate today. Let's see. Is token still going? Let's see. We have Scully here. Are you in for some spooky treats? Yeah, there's a scary kobold playing scary games, and they are also super scary in the mattress they are currently wearing. So let's rate Scully. They are very lovely. So enjoy your time over there with the kobold. And I'll be back. Tomorrow together with the wonderful Ryoku. We are gonna tackle Slime Heroes 2 p.m. Central European time. So 8 hours from now in the past, tomorrow. And yeah, gonna see you there. And have a great rest of your Friday, everyone. Stay cute, everyone. Love you all. And for the do we have like a skeleton or something emote? Let me see. Skeleton. Oh, yes, we have something. Let's go with this as a raid message. Spooky, scary kobolds. So feel free to copy this one and post it as soon as we raid in. And thank you for the kissy. Spooky, scary kobolds. There we go. And yes, like I said, stay cute, everyone. Love you all. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Mwah.